Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're out here right before this old man winter comes down the mountain all the way with our Tacti-cool Mini 14. So essentially it's a Ruger Mini 14 older that we put in a Archangel Chassis system. And the biggest thing about it is it provides a continuous metal rail with hard points mounted to it for optics and light systems. So if you're trying to update your Mini 14, that's something you could do. I also had thread the barrel and then pin and welded an extended flash hider on here, seeing if it might change barrel harmonics a little bit. But one thing I noticed with kiddos is it was easier for them to charge this than the M4 platform. So I had this in the inventory for quite a while, but now I'm going to trade it off. So I figured I'd come out and do a quick video. It takes 5.56 or 223, and we're gonna go ahead and torch off a few rounds for you and see what you guys think, if the flash hider works at all and what the recoil impulse feels like. I did open up the gas port after I shortened the barrel, so a couple of rounds for you here. Well, it cycled just fine. Let's clear it real quick. So as you can see, I'm using M855, and yeah, it worked just fine. So I'm happy with the results. You guys know that you can update a Mini 14. Recoil impulse was just fine, even with the gas port being opened up, no cycling issues. So update your Mini if you feel like it. You can make it look Tacti-cool. Helps with ergonomics for sure. Have a great one.